Overthinking feels like living inside a storm made of your own thoughts. You replay conversations, imagine outcomes that never happen, and carry a tightness in your chest that never fully leaves. The mind becomes louder than the world around you, and even simple choices begin to feel heavy. Today's practice is designed to pull you out of that mental spiral. Through slow movement and steady breath, these 12 poses will help quiet the noise in your mind and reconnect you to the present moment. 1. Easy pose. We begin seated, grounding the body before soothing the mind. Sit comfortably, rest your hands on your knees, and breathe deeply into your belly. Overthinking scatters your awareness, but this moment gathers it back. Inhale with softness. Exhale with intention. Feel your body settle into stillness. Feel your mind beginning to slow. 2. Thunderbolt pose. Gently move into thunderbolt pose, sitting on your heels with the spine tall. This posture supports digestion and calms the nervous system, creating an inner stability that overthinking often breaks. Keep your hands resting softly on your thighs. Breathe into your belly. This is a pose that teaches patience, patience with your breath, and patience with yourself. 3. Puppy pose. Transition forward into puppy pose, allowing your chest to melt toward the mat while your hips stay lifted. Overthinking often tightens the heart and shoulders, but this pose opens both. Let your forehead touch the ground. Feel the spine lengthening, the heart softening, the mind releasing its grip. This is a moment of surrender without collapse. 4. Low lunge with heart opener. Step one foot forward and rise into a low lunge, then open the heart by lifting your chest and reaching your arms back. Overthinking makes your chest close and your breath shallow. This heart opener creates space, space in the body, and space in the thoughts. Let the breath guide you. With every inhale, imagine opening to clarity. With every exhale, releasing unnecessary tension. 5. Standing forward fold with shoulder release. Step forward and fold down into a forward bend, then interlace your fingers behind your back to stretch the shoulders. Overthinking often hides in the upper body, especially the neck and shoulders. Let your arms fall forward as your head hangs heavy. Feel the tightness dripping away, allowing your thoughts to loosen, just like your muscles. 6. Warrior Second. Rise into Warrior Second, a powerful pose that demands presence. Overthinking drags your mind backward into the past and forward into the unknown. This posture pulls you into the now. Gaze softly over your front fingertips. Feel your legs strong, your core stable, your breath steady. Warrior Second reminds you that you can stand grounded even when the mind feels chaotic. 7. Standing back bend. From standing, gently open the heart once again with a mild back bend. Lift the chest, soften the shoulders, and keep the breath smooth. Overthinking closes the body in self-protection. This pose opens it. It teaches your nervous system to feel safe with openness, safe with vulnerability, safe with possibility. 8. Tree pose. Shift your weight into one foot and lift the other into tree pose. Balance forces focus. Focus breaks the cycle of overthinking. Let your foot press into your leg and your hands come to your heart. Allow yourself to sway. It's part of the posture. When your mind drifts, return to your breath. Tree pose teaches calmness inside movement. 9. Head to knee forward bend. Lower to the ground and move into head to knee forward bend. This gentle fold quiets the mind almost instantly. Reach toward your foot or shin and let your spine soften. This pose invites introspection without spiraling, awareness without overwhelm. Stay here long enough to feel the mind settle into silence. 10. Legs up the wall pose. Shift onto your back and bring your legs up a wall or into the air. This inversion is one of the most powerful tools for calming overthinking. It slows your heart rate, reduces mental tension, and signals the brain that it's safe to relax. Let your hands rest on your belly or at your sides. Breathe deeply. Feel the mind unwinding. 11. Knees to chest pose. Bring your knees into your chest, hugging them gently. Overthinkers often carry emotional tension in the lower body, especially the hips and lower back. This pose tells your nervous system that it can soften now. Hold yourself with kindness. Let your breath be warm and slow. Allow the mind to unclench. 12. Corpse pose. Finally, settle into Savasana, the posture of complete surrender. Let your body become heavy. Let your mind float without grabbing onto any thought. Overthinking is a habit of control, wanting to predict, protect, and perfect. This pose is a practice in letting go. Let your thoughts drift like clouds across a silent sky. Nothing to fix, nothing to solve, just presence. When you feel ready, open your eyes softly and return to your day with a quieter mind and a lighter heart. Remember, overthinking loses its power when you return to your breath. If today's practice helped you feel even a moment of peace, share your experience in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join me again for more grounding sessions made just for you.